Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, please like, comment, and subscribe. Mazulu firms at Kanyo and Mzwandile for not telling their family that Sakile was out of solitary. And it seems like Mzwandile wants to protect Sakile. Meanwhile, the corrupt guard and Sakile agree on the plan to poisoning Zetulele. And Sakile wants to see Zetulele dead, while the Beng family wants Zetulele to be saved on jail. Later, Fikile is kidnapped by an unknown person, and it seems like this caused a chaos on Beng family and Chemis. Chemis comes to at Msamo to ask about Figile. Where is Figile? And it seems like Lindiwe does not know where is Figile. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.